Welcome to first snowstorm of 2015, and this isn't even bad yet. I'm just walking around my driveway and it is blowing like holy hell, and I don't know if any of you can even see the falling snow because it's blowing, but it's supposed to get worse, and we're supposed to get 30 centimeters of it actually, or 30 inches, I'm sorry, 30 inches, 3 feet by tomorrow noon. This is Stamford. As you can see, we've been kind of plowed so people could sort of drive. I just walked out of my driveway and I'm gonna stand here for a moment. Maybe you can actually catch the falling snow. There we go. That's off of our roof with the wind. It keeps picking up. Ain't it fun? Oh yeah, there goes the wind. Just gonna stand in place so you can see the wind. And it's supposed to blow as much as 20 to 28 miles an hour tonight, which under regular circumstances isn't that bad, but when you mix in a chill factor, wind shear, and a shit ton of snow, it ain't fun. That means my family in particular is planning to stay home, and I hope yours, if you're in this area, and by this area I mean tri-state area / New England states all the way to Maine. Crap. It's windy. Sheesh. Stay home, please. I've already heard the fire trucks a few times for people that, well, didn't stay home. So, kind of PSA of storms thing video. I'm not going to say it's not pretty out here. Definitely is pretty. And I'm also pretty proud of my personal self. This is the first time I'm outside in, well, since maybe Halloween. Let's not trip. Being ill does not afford me to go outside, but today I decided to brave it and pretend to be a good Russian and walk around in the crazy snowstorm and film this for you folks, those of you that watch my YouTube channel. Usually there's photos of a dog, but I can't hold the dog today. Oh Lord. Okay, I don't even technically have that much energy, but I am walking outside without a cane or a wheelchair, so it's a plus. But if you took a gander, and I'm going to try to do something here now, so please bear with me since I have absolutely no idea how to do this. Hang on. Alright, that's me, and that's everything I'm wearing. Okay, coming back around. I'm literally, not even kidding you, wearing 4 layers of clothing. So, ooh. Maybe not such a good idea. But, and it's so cold that our thermometer doesn't even register how cold it is. Have I mentioned I'm in the wrong climate? Yes, folks, I'm the Russian that hates the winter. And it's snowing a lot. Okay, that's our mailbox. Our mailbox and the neighbor's mailbox is slightly in different places. That's been that way for all the 16 some odd years we've lived here. So, that's the snow. Can't see the bottom. Alright, well, I think you understand what I mean by snowstorm, and I'm gonna turn this off so I can take some pictures. Alright, bye-bye.